In this video, we will look at simple example to understand how to use state hooks with an array. So let's get started. So go to VS Code and make new file in the component folder, that is hooks array.jsx. Then I use React snippet to create a functional component, that is rcfe. Then first of all, let's import the useState. Then let's declare the state variable with corresponding setter function inside the hooks array. So const items set items equals to useState. So we use array, that's why the initial value is null array. Then let's bring item to the JSX. So go inside the div tag and make one ul tag. Inside ul, let's bring items to the JSX. So for iterating with array, we use map method. That's why items dot map, then item, all the item, then we use arrow function. Then inside that, let's bring li tag and always use key operator. So key equals to item dot id. Inside the li tag, we call the item value, item dot value. Then we close the tag. Then let's add a button which pushes item to the array. We make button above the ul tag. So button add a number which add the item to the new array. When a user click on the button, it add the number to the list. So we use event handler, that is on click equals to pass the function, that is add item. So to make the function, go above the return method. Then const add item equals to an arrow function. Then inside the add item function, we update the state by call the set item setter function. So set items, first of all we append the item to the array by using split operator function. Then in the id value, we call the items dot length. Then in the value, we call the math dot floor. Then inside this, we make a random variable from 1 to 10, random value from 1 to 10. So math dot random asterisk plus 1. Math dot floor, math dot floor equals to math dot random asterisk plus 1. Then so let me explain what is happening here. Whenever a add item function is called, you make a copy of all the items using the spelled operator, that is dot 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 items, and append to the list of copied item. We simply append using another object, and save this and import on the main component hooks array. Then go to run the project. First of all, run the project. Change the directory to your app name, that is contact, and npm start. It will run your project on the browser, starting development server. Math is not defined, so it should be a capital, I think. Let's save and go to the browser. Return back to the browser. Add a number. So it generates the random number from 1 to 10. So this is the pretty simple example, but I want to show the example how useState work with an array. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.